Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese Idioms Lesson 1 with Teacher Min. Today we will be learning 5 Chinese idioms. The first Chinese idiom is 按部就班. 按 means 按照, which means follow in English. The whole Chinese idiom means that you follow in order, step by step. This is a picture to illustrate. The person is going step by step in order to achieve his or her goal. The next 成语 or Chinese idiom is 百年树人. 百 means 100, 年 means years, 树 means tree as a noun, and cultivate as a verb. And 人 is human or person. The whole Chinese idiom means that it takes 100 years to cultivate a person. So it means that it takes many years to nurture and cultivate someone. This is a picture to illustrate. The next Chinese idiom is Bai Zhe Bu Nao. Bai means 100. Zhe means 挫折 and setbacks in English. Bu means no or do not. Nao means give in. The whole Chinese idiom means that even though the person meets 100 setbacks, he or she does not give in. It shows that he has a great fighting spirit or strong determination. As seen in this picture, the person overcomes many obstacles and still continues to fight on. The next Chinese idiom is Ban Men Nong Fu. There's a story about it. It's about a person who waves his axe and dances in front of an expert who actually makes such items such as the axe. This Chinese idiom means that you are showing off your skill in front of the person who actually knows it better than you. The next Chinese idiom is 半途而废. 半 means half, 途 means way, 而 means and fei means waste. The whole Chinese idiom 半途而废 means that you are giving up halfway through, and it has a negative connotation that you are not achieving your goal because you gave up halfway. This is a picture to illustrate. The person wants to reach the money tree. However, halfway through, he gave up and turned back, and so he is not able to reach the money tree. Now it's quiz time. What Chinese idiom does this picture illustrate? The answer is 百折不挠. What Chinese idiom does this picture illustrate? The answer is 按部就班. What Chinese idiom does this picture illustrate? The answer is 半途而废. What Chinese idiom does this animation illustrate? The answer is 百年树人. That's the end of our first lesson. Like and share the video and subscribe to learn more Chinese idioms and Chinese.